Hello, viewers. Welcome to episode number 54 on trigonometry. And this will be the episode 3 on the angle of elevation and what? Depression. Join me as we provide answer to this. So the point M is on the same horizontal ground as the foot of a vertical pole. So let's see. Remember what we did in the first 2 episodes? We indicate the horizontal ground and indicate the point here as M, we are told. Then we have a vertical pole. A pole will be erected. So let the pole which will be perpendicular to the ground. So we have the right angle box in there. Then the angle of elevation of the top of the pole, where the top of the pole, angle formed above the horizontal line. So from the point M, we can be able to join these two to find the angle of what? Elevation. Were you given? Okay. It is given as what? 54. Is it 54? That is 55 degree. The angle formed out there. Alright. What next? If M is 10 meters from the foot of the pole, 10 meters from the foot of the pole, what can I indicate here? M pole. So let's say PT. It makes sense. So from that, we are having 10 meters. All right. We are to calculate the nearest meter, the height of the pole. So we are looking for the height of the pole. I did mention that the moment the diagram is drawn, almost 80% of the job is done. The diagram is the most difficult aspect. When the diagram is wrong, your calculation will be wrong. But when the diagram is correct, hardly will your calculation be wrong. So now this is the information we get in the question. We're looking for h, where the h is the opposite side of the angle. This is the adjacent. This is for hypotenuse. So using our SOHCAHTOA, we are going to ignore the acronym that contains H because we don't need the H in the calculation. So, Ka are all going to be cancelled. Only TOA, meaning the tan of the angle 55 degree should be equal to the opposite side, the H, adjacent side, the 10. If you cross multiply, H will become 10 times the tan of what? 55 degree. And we can put that in our calculator to see what that will look like. So 10 times 55 degree will be giving us 14.2815. Have we restricted? Calculate to nearest meter. So the nearest meter means nearest whole meter. That is going to be, therefore, the height of the pole is going to be 14 meters. It will be 14 meters to the nearest meter, meaning nearest word, whole number. All right, I guess you can see very simple. The question look a bit plenty, but the understanding and the solving is simple. If you like this, share, comment, and subscribe.